Hello, hello. Okay, so my nighttime routine. Oh, why is it so hot? Oh my god, I promise I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a tube shirt, but oh my god. I gotta change. BRB. Had to change. I don't know who the hell I was fooling. But with that robe, fleece? No, we're not gonna do that. I've already posted and showed you guys my skincare routine. So I thought I would finally shoot a video showing you how I clean my lashes and how I keep them nice and pretty. So what you're gonna need is, of course, your NovakaneBeauty lash cleanser. And then with every lash cleanser that I sell, I do give you a brush, a NovakaneBeauty brush, which is really great. See that? It has these, like, I guess, perforated edges that pretty much really helps get in there and clean out any gunk in between your natural lashes, which makes it really great for just making sure that you don't get things like lash mites. Helps ensure that your natural lashes still have room to grow. You probably don't really need this, but I'm really dramatic. I have one of these. I guess they're like the squeeze water bottles, but obviously you can like sit over the sink and go like this. I just find that this is a little bit more gentle, and because you can control the pressure of the water that comes out, you can really make sure you're not kind of blasting your lashes because they are delicate too. So let's get started. It's a little tricky for me because I'm not really in front of the sink, like I'm in the bathroom and the sink is over there. So I'm gonna take out a little bit of my foam cleanser. Perfect, perfect. Then we're gonna wash it out. I have to go grab my mirror so I can see what I'm doing, and then we're just gonna literally brush them. Oh, they feel so good. And then I'm gonna go in just with my fan, or if you have a blow dryer on a cool setting, you dry them. They're back to their hybrid looking self. They're clean, as you can see, and that's all I do. It's very simple. It takes me less than 2 minutes to do this, and it's really important in terms of just making sure that your lashes stay healthy and clean. If you don't have healthy lashes, after a while you will not be able to do extensions. So this is just one of the things that you can do to help maintain a healthy set of natural lashes. Hope this video was informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.